I was cleaning shrimp and some shrimp juice got in my eye. I cleaned my eye with water and then applied some saline solution. I now have a clear bubble one corner of my eye. Should I be concerned?
Hello, you have just done the right thing by cleaning your eyes with water, which is the first thing a person should do in such a situation. I just want a clarification whether the bubble on the corner of your eye is on the skin or the white of the eye. Are you having any redness, watering, pain in that eye?
It is on the white of the eye. There is no pain, just the redness and the bubble. There is no pain, but I feel the bubble when I blink.
Hello, okay, it is better that you apply antibiotic and steroid eye drop combination, 1 drop 6 times a day for 1 week and stop. The inflammation will subside in a week. Just to be on the safer side, please visit ophthalmologist to rule out any corneal injury. Very unlikely in your case, as there is no pain. Do not worry, as conjunctival lesions heal well white of the eye. Please feel free to contact me for any clarifications. Clicking accept button pays me for my work. Bonus and positive feedback are very much appreciated. Dr. A. S. Desai. These answers are for information purpose only and cannot be substituted for a checkup and visit to an ophthalmologist.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.